In my last video, someone commented that I should paint with food, and I feel like a savage today, and today we're painting with food. This is cookie icing. It's green, and I think this is probably the best consistency. Now this next one is a steak sauce. Hopefully it's not too runny, so. Oh, yeah. Oh, great. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to work with it. Hopefully it's not too, ooh, what is this? Miracle Whip, yeah. Well, this is my white. My white, let me just tell you, it's making me hungry to throw up. Yeah, no, it's just, it's not. Oh, wow, yeah, that's gonna, there's my paint palette. Let's see if I can make something good. So I got the ingredients here to whip up a nice, not a meal, but a painting. So today what I'm gonna try to paint, I'm not sure if it's gonna come out good. It's gonna be challenging. I mean, painting with ketchup and mustard. But it's gonna be a pineapple. Let's hope and pray it's a pineapple. So I'm gonna start off with the background. I'm gonna grab a little bit of mayonnaise, mustard. Oh my God, this is not, this is gross. Oh my God. Oh, what am I doing? All right, so I got my mustard. I might need more mustard. It's very, very faint. All right, so oh man, this is not blending in. Yeah, I need to leave that mustard dry. Alright, so I finished the painting. I have to wait until it dries and we'll come back and check on it.
One eternity later.
This canvas still smells like food even after a day and it's dry. And it's a little bit sticky, but let's make it work. Most paintings, they give you a sense of emotion feeling. This one gets me a little hungry. Actually, it's not that pleasant of a smell, but it was sure pleasant to use food condiments for this painting. And if you guys are hungry, make sure to like this video and comment down below. Thanks for watching.